Hi everyone and welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Today's recipe is METKUT BHAT. So basically I'm going to be showing you how to make some METKUT. Now METKUT is basically roasted dals and a few other ingredients which are easily available in our pantry or our kitchen. And we're going to be making some moong bhat. Now you can have this moong bhat all by itself, but when you add this METKUT to it, it just adds a different, taste and flavor, and it's just amazing. And this METKUT can also be stored, in a cool, dry place. You don't have to refrigerate it, and it has a long shelf life of at least 6 months, provided you keep it in a dry place, as well as the bottle should be nice and clean and dry, and preferably glass. And this METKUT BHAT is generally given to people who are a little bit unwell because it's a little bit light on the tummy, light on the palate. But that doesn't stop us from having this, anytime. I mean, me for one, I just love METKUT BHAT. You just take some lovely moong bhat when it's nice and hot. And then you just put this METKUT, and then you put a nice big smear of a nice big spoonful of homemade ghee or clarified butter, and a big dollop of chilled yogurt. Mix everything together, a little pickle, a little papad on the side, and your meal is done. It's really delicious. So I hope you enjoy these recipes, and if you do, then don't forget to give them some big thumbs ups, and that way I come to know that you like my recipes, you like Akshata's recipes. And for those of you who haven't hit the red subscribe button yet, guys, hit the red subscribe button somewhere here down on the screen and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, don't forget to ring the bell, because that way whenever I put up a video on my channel, you'll get a message that Akshata's put up a new recipe or a vlog. And guys, I have loads and loads of videos coming up, so stay tuned to Akshata's recipes. It's a fun place to be. So let's head on to my kitchen, guys, and let's make this amazing METKUT BHAT. So friends, I hope you liked today's recipe and I hope you will give it a try. Do let me know how your recipes turned out. If you all added anything more in your metkut or some different way, as every household has a different metkut recipe. I like to add yogurt or dahi when I'm making my metkut bhat. Let me know what you like. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Share my videos with family and friends, and don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and click the bell. I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Akshita signing off. Bye.